Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to scan on Brother DCP-1510E. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go! I suppose your printer is ready to work just yet. I mean, you've loaded some paper in the paper tray, installed the toner cartridge, plugged in the printer into the power outlet and powered on the device. Next, on the back panel of your printer you can see USB port, so you need USB cable type B to type A. Usually you can find this cable in the box, but if you in some reason you don't have this cable, you need to purchase one because this printer doesn't have Wi-Fi connection and USB connection is the only way to connect to your PC. So plug in the type B into printer's port and type A into the computer's USB port. If you don't have USB port in your computer, you need to use adapters, for example, from type C to type A and so on. The next step is software installation. So whether you use Mac, Windows or Linux computer, open any web browser and Google search for Brother DCP-1510E drivers. Hit enter on your keyboard and go to the first website, Brother USA Downloads. Select your operating system over here, select the system version, Windows 11 in my case, click OK, and download this full driver and software package. Select your language, scroll down, accept the license agreement, click on that button, and your file will be downloaded soon. Once it's downloaded, click on that to open. You can minimize your browser now. It's decompressing, or in other words, unarchiving. Click Yes in this window, select your language, click OK, and now setup is in process. In this window, click Yes, accept the license agreement, select Standard installation. I don't think you wish to customize it by yourself. Click Next. Now it's installing drivers and necessary software. Write in registry information. Never mind, just be patient and wait. Shortcut appears for Brother Utilities. Now you can view manuals on the web or just click Next to continue. Click Next in this window. You can register your printer, but so far we don't need it. Just click Next. You can set your printer as default, check in this checkbox, click Next. Join Brother Product Research and Support Program if you want, or uncheck this checkbox and click Next. And to finish installation, you need to restart your computer, so click on Finish and your computer will be restarted. Once your computer restarted, this Windows shows up. Select Receive Information for all software updates, which is recommended. Click OK and you're all set. Now you can start scanning. To scan, you need to have scanning application on your computer. You can use different applications for different purposes with advanced features or just simple features. I recommend you Scanner X for Windows. I am not Mac user, so I can't recommend application for Mac. For Windows, I recommend you Scanner X PDF Scanner. This is simple and for basic needs it's enough. So install this application from Microsoft Store, then open it, and now you need to place your document to the scanning unit. To do this, open the scanning unit lid and put the document you wish to scan facing down and align the top left corner of your document with the top left corner of the scanning surface. You have the paper sheet icon here, so you need to align corners like this and make sure that edges of your document are fit snugly with the borders of the scanning surface. And notice your paper size. Use these markers for guidance and close the lid. Basic scanning settings are the same in all applications, so you need to make sure that your Brother printer is selected in this drop-down. Next, select color mode or grayscale mode. Then select your resolution. 300 dpi is enough for documents. Use higher resolutions for photos. Now select scan area. You can switch to your paper size or scan entire surface. Click on Show More. You can adjust brightness and contrast of your scan, and just click on Scan to run the process. Now you've got the scan result, and what you can do now is rotate this page flip horizontal, flip vertical, click on crop icon and crop to standard size or switch to manual and drag these corners to crop your image. In this window you also can rotate and flip your document like this. Once you're done, click on crop or cancel if you don't like your changes. Next, in this 3 bars menu you can adjust brightness, contrast and saturation, apply to apply changes or cancel. You can delete this page and you can switch to pages list to see all the pages in your document. To scan the next page, just place it in the scanning unit. Don't forget to align correctly, close the lid. Adjust your settings. Once again, you can set different settings for each page and click on scan. Now you have 2 pages in your document and you can repeat this step as many times as you need. You can select the pages and rotate them simultaneously like this. And once you're done scanning, click on export over here and export as image or PDF. Keep in mind that PDF only supports multiple page documents. So if you need to do like this, select PDF. Export as PDF. Rename your file if you need. And click on save, but select location first. Let's save on desktop, for example. Save. And your file will be saved. And it right away it opens the folder with your file. Here it is on the desktop. And that's pretty it. For advanced scanning features like markup, adding text, applying filters, and so on, you need to use more advanced applications. Probably you will need to pay for them, but you know what to do. I believe in that. And I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.